Hello everyone, this is Miss Mora. I am currently looking at the homepage of our pre-cal class. I was able to set up the class to where all of your assignments will be posted in this calendar format, and that way you know what to expect, what day we are on, and what assignments I'm assigning for that day. So I'm looking at March the 18th on a C day, so this is for everybody. And I'm looking at Khan Academy multiplying matrices, so I'm going to click there, and it takes you directly to the assignment on Canvas. And the first part is to watch the video, and then there's obviously more directions in here. For now, I'm going to click on the assignment because I want to show you a few things in Khan Academy. On the left hand side, we're looking at the practice section. If you look right here, this is the play button. So this takes you to a video, which is the video that is right here. So anytime there's a practice in Khan Academy, the video will be right before that. And so that'll actually help you to see where things are at and if you need extra help. So I'm going to look at this problem, and I'm just going to review multiplying matrices. I wanted to show you this icon on the bottom left, the pencil with the marking or the pen with the marking. So when I click there, I can choose whatever color I want. I'm going to go with this color for now. And I'm going to multiply matrices. So we have to remember that when we multiply matrices, it's important that the two numbers in the middle match. So it's the columns of the first matrix and the rows in the second matrix. So I'm looking at this matrix A is 3 rows, 1 column. So that is a 3 by 1. And then the matrix F is 1 row, 2 columns. So that's a 1 by 2. Notice how the numbers in the middle match. So that's good. Oh, I even made a smiley face. So your new dimensions will be a 3 by 2. So that means I'm going to have 3 rows and 2 columns. So if you notice, if you look right here on matrix H, this is 3 rows, 2 columns. So this is going to extend all the way here. Oh, I didn't mean to make the marking. So I'm going to grab the eraser and I'm going to erase this. Okay. So the way we put those numbers in is just by typing them up. So I'm going to select the first row, and then the first column. So that's going to give me this number here, this number here. So that's going to be the first row times first column. So that is a negative 1 times 0, and that is 0. So I can type in this, or I'm going to put in a 0 in here. So I'm going to put it on the side. So that's negative 1 times 0. And then I'm going to do the next one, which is the first row and the second column. So I'm looking right here, and that is a negative 1 times a negative 2. Okay, and then the next one will be the second row and the first column, which would put us here, second row, first column. So that's a 4 times 0. And then I'm going to do the second row, second column. That's 4 times negative 2, and I think you guys will notice a pattern. So lastly, it's going to be the third row, first column. So 4 times 0. And then it's going to be this last row and this last column, which will be 4 times negative 2. All right. So you see that this matrix has 3 rows and it has 2 columns. So it's a 3 by 2. So I'm going to type them in. So I'm going to get rid of this. Let's see. I'm going to take this off. So I got 0, 0, 0, positive 2, negative 8, negative 8. Okay, so I'm going to take this off. and I'm going to type it in. That was positive 0. Whoa, I hit enter. So what you want to do is you want to hit tab. All right, and that's what I wanted to show you, but I went ahead and clicked it. So now I'm going to look at the pencil, and that is 0, 2, 0, negative 8. So 0, tab, and that is 2, 0, negative 8. And I'm still clicking tab in my keyboard, but notice how I'm not typing anything in that last column. And then that's a 0, and that was a negative 8. I'm just going to check that my numbers are correct, and they are. So now that I have my matrix and my numbers are there, I can click on check again, because remember the first time I just clicked enter. And it says way to go. Now, if you mess something up and you want to know why, like let's say, I'm going to go to the next question. Let's say that I already calculated this, and I'm just making numbers up. I don't even know the dimensions right now because I'm just messing with the numbers. And let's say you click check. You can click on get help, or you can try it again. But if you click on get help on the bottom, it will explain how to work out the problem. So that is another great feature about Khan Academy. So that's it for this lesson. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Feel free to message me on Canvas or send me an email through your Office 365. And that link is also in your desktop. I know most of you know how to access your email, and that looks like this, Mail 365. Hope you guys have a good day.